So number 3, we're supposed to factor negative x squared minus x plus 12. And the first thing I notice is that this has a negative sign. And notice problem 2 had a positive 1. Problem 1 was a positive 1. This is negative, so just like a negative 1. So all you have to do is factor out the negative and then put down what's left. Remember, when you factor out a negative, it changes the signs. So if this starts out negative and you divide out a negative, it becomes positive. If this starts out negative and you divide by negative, which this is like dividing by -1. Anytime you divide by -1, it changes the signs. So this is going to go from -x to plus x. And from positive 12 to negative 12. From there, I need to find two numbers that multiply to negative 12 but add to 1. And that's a 1 because that's a 1x. So I start playing around with the number 12. It's actually negative 12. And I say, okay, what about -1 times 12? That works. But when you add them, you get 11. Okay, so at least it's positive. That's nice. So what if I did -2 and 6? You add those, you get 4. Getting warmer. What about -3 times 4? You add those, you get positive 1. So that's the combination I need, -3 and 4. And I put that here. Now I'm factoring, so it's going to be whatever this variable is. It's not always x. So it'll be x and x, because x times x is x squared. And then I'll fill this in with -3 plus 4. Now something that's kind of nice is, let's say instead of -3 plus 4, let's say you had put 4 -3. Like say you wrote that backwards. Multiplication is commutative, so it doesn't matter the order. Now I could go check my work, and I'm going to plug this in, -x squared minus x plus 12. That's what it looks like. Way down there. And it's actually minus x, so that changes it a little bit. And it's actually plus 12. Alright, so that's what that looks like. And I think the answer is x plus 4, x minus 3. And I see them, and they're almost the same. They're just flipped over. And so I go back to my work, and I realize, oh yeah, I forgot. I forgot about my negative sign. That's important. That's what flips the graph over. It's what we call reflection over the x-axis. It flips it over. And so now if I plug in this negative, I see that they are the same. And the solutions, the x-intercepts, are -4 and 3. If the solutions are -4 and 3, the factors will be the opposite, x plus 4, x minus 3.